Welcome everybody to the Paper Outpost. This is Pam and I am so excited today because today is the day I announce the winner of the subscriber contest for 25,000 subscribers. This is amazing. You guys are awesome. This would never be happening without you guys. I am so appreciative and so thankful and so thankful for your support, and my birdies are chiming in because they're so excited too. I really am thrilled about this, and the winner is going to receive this beautiful journal and all the ephemera that I showed in the video. But there's a few important things that I want to review with you guys first that are updates that are going on at the Paper Outpost that are important for me to share with you. So please allow me a few minutes to go through this. Okay, so first of all, number one, the great news is I have a newsletter now. I have a new Paper Outpost newsletter. And the exciting thing about the newsletter is not only do you get an interesting tip or trick related to junk journals, how to make your junk journals and making life easier making junk journals. That will be included. It's a very simple, very easy, very basic newsletter that comes out once a month. But also, which is very exciting for you guys, is there's a free digital image included in it. And the way you get signed up for the newsletter is you go to below the video on your PC or on your phone or tablet. There's a drop-down list. There's a drop-down description box, and in there there's a link that will link you to the newsletter. And along with the newsletter, I have connected the free checklist for junk journal supplies, which is about a 7 or 8 page list of basic and advanced supplies that you could just keep your eyeballs open for as you peruse your world. In the basic, most are free or almost free. They're simple items that can be found around the house. In the advanced, those are kind of Christmas wish-like things like, hey, wouldn't it be great if? So you can kind of peruse through those. And also included when you sign up for the newsletter is going to be the note from the bookmaker. So that is the note where I write out what a junk journal is and how it can be used in different ways. And that's the note that I fold up, age, and I tuck into the fronts of my journals. So that is all included in there. And the link is down below. So feel free to sign up for that. It's very exciting, very fun for you guys. And get that rolling. Okay, so we're going to do the drawing for the journal just in a few minutes, and there's what I wanted to, the next exciting bit of news is I have new digikits for you guys. I had a good response with the ephemera, and I thought, well, you know, I have so much and many different things, so I wanted to give you more of a variety of things that you could pick from. So here we go. Let me show you. First of all, I wanted to show you that these things come from mostly from my personal collection. I have a lot of very old newspapers. Some of these are from 1824. They're beautiful. They're very delicate, and I almost don't even want to open them. But what I did was I went ahead and I scanned some so that you guys would have some to use. There's very interesting things in here, different things that are happening, the way they used to write back then, and you'll be able to read the newsletters. It's small print, but it can be blown up and you can change the sizes. So let me just show you that digikit looks like briefly here. It's called Vintage Newspapers. And you're going to get 5 pages. All my digikits are 5 pages. I'm just going to quickly show you kind of what you get here. And this can be used for collage. You can use it for little embellishments, all sorts of things. This is the natural aging of the paper, which is kind of neat. It's very old. And you can even age it and play with it, or you can cut it out whole and then age up the edges and fold it up and use it as extra writing space. Lots of fun things. So the other things I wanted to show you that I have been collecting for years, and it's just a big passion of mine. I love it. So let me just give you a quick flip through. Not taking a long time here at this, but I have collected these cards, and they're beautiful cards of different images. I have butterflies, all sorts of things here. Flowers, you can see that the shine's on it. Birds, and these are all in my collection. Owls, all sorts of things, all sorts of different kinds of birds. And I have books of these things. Like I said, been collecting for years. It's a little goofy thing that I do. This is my little yoga, bunny doing yoga, little drawing that I like to do every once in a while. Yeah, I have zillions of these things. So I put some of these up there in my digikits, and if you are interested in these are fun to use for journal cards, for embellishments, for collage, decorating things. There's so many fun things that you can do with these beautiful cards. A lot of these are, there's Arm & Hammer cards, there's cigarette cards, there's all sorts of different ones. I really went to town collecting these. So, okay, to show you that, but then let me show you the actual kits. Okay, so the kits are, there's one with vintage butterflies. I don't know if you can see that so well, but they're pretty cool. Let me zoom this down so you can get better light. Okay, there we go. Back up a little bit. I'll just show you kind of basically what you get. You get 5 pages, and there's lots of butterflies in here, all sorts of different kinds, all sorts of different colors. And these are from the original cards. And then I just tried to put as many on as I could on a page for you. So you get lots. And then we go into the lovely flower category, which is very popular. I know a lot of you like to make nature-themed journals or botanical journals or, you know, woodland-style journals. And I'm working on a woodland-style journal right now, so I thought this might come in handy. These are beautiful images of flowers. Some of these are from the public domain. Some are from my collection. Just give you a quick flip through. So you get all sorts of different variety and lots of things to play with. These are a little bigger flowers. Vintage flowers number 1. Then there is vintage flowers number 2. I put up 8 new sets of different digital kits over, like I uploaded them last night, but I've been working on them for a while now. And so there's a lot of variety in here. And we are coming into spring, so spring might be a fun thing to use, or a fun theme for a journal. We're certainly hoping for spring very soon. I know most of the country is still freezing, and you know, we need other things to focus on these days, so I hope this helps. I certainly wish everybody is happy and healthy. Vintage common birds. And it comes with the egg below of the bird, which I think is really pretty. And these are some more of the cards. And you get a couple pages of that. And these are a different style. This is player cigarette cards. And there's many cute little bird images here. And, oh, these are beautiful. These are Arm & Hammer cards. They're very, very old. A lot of these, almost all of these cards date back from the late 1800s, early 1900s. They're gorgeous images. They were used as advertising way back when. For, you know, you think cigarette companies and Arm & Hammer is not that exciting, but they had stunning images and people fell in love with them and people collected them. I can see why they did. I collected them. I fell down that rabbit hole. So if you think these things might be fun to use in your journals, please feel free to check out my Etsy store with the digital kits. Vintage Beautiful Birds. This is just a different set. And these are very vivid, very beautiful images. Yeah. Get all sorts of different types of images here. Okay, I'll just go through this a little faster. Okay, lots of birds here. So basically there's 5 pages of this style. All right. And then there's vintage exotic birds. I know birds are something that a lot of people like. I know I do. And so this gives you a lot of options. And, you know, I will be showing different ways to use these as well. But they can be cut out individually and used as little tiny cards. You can print them out on regular paper or on cardstock. They would be beautiful. On cardstock, they'd be already turned into an instant little journal card or a tiny journal tag, and you could tuck those into toppling towers or toppling pockets. If you remember that video, or the shelves, you know, the shelves that we built with the books, the book pages, that would be fun too. So you can tuck little things in there. These make great additions. And these exotic birds, you're going to see some interesting oddball birds coming up here. These beautiful and gorgeous, unique but lovely birds. All right, and there's another page of beautiful and lovely birds. I think that's a puffin. Isn't that a puffin? I think so. Okay. All right. And we have next owls. We have beautiful vintage owls. I love these images. They're gorgeous. I think this is the last one. All right, and then we're going to get to our contest. Yay! Okay, so these beautiful vintage owl images, most from the public domain here, and some of them are from my collection. But I just thought I would assemble some because I'm going to be using these in my journal. And I won't be putting these original cards in my journal because I only have, like, they're in a set and they're all numbered, and I need to keep my set ordered. So I will be using some of these pictures. And I'm very excited because I am working on a journal currently, and it's coming along. It's coming along. It should be ready to be sold soon. So keep your peepers open. Keep your birdie peepers open, and you may see some of these images in there used in many different ways. So I needed to, oh, Hollywood's very excited in his cage this morning. He's like, birds, birds, you're talking about birds, let me out. Okay. All right, so there we have that. That's very exciting. And let me get organized here. So what else can I tell you? I can tell you, I told you about the free checklist, the note, and the newsletter. Okay, let me get you oriented over here. And now we're going to do the drawing. All right. Okay, let me just set this up. Thought I had it set up, but it wasn't the right angle. So let's do it. It's better here. Okay. Let me get the eagle down. All right. And there we go. Okay, and you know my Amazon store is linked below all my videos. If you're interested in any of the products that I use commonly, or my favorite products and tools and supplies, they're all listed in my Amazon store. If you actually click on the Amazon store link, you will see everything all at once with one click. There are some individual links down below if you just want to see one or two items, but I thought the Amazon store was an easier way for you guys to see everything so you can find quickly what you're looking for. My videos are put out Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. My podcasts are put out Tuesdays and Thursdays, and my podcasts are available on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, plus about 5 other platforms, so check that out. It's on anchor.fm, and if you're listening on your phone or your tablet or your PC, there's an easy way for anybody to listen. You don't have to be a member of one of those groups. You can just listen on your PC at anchor.fm, the paper podcast, and the link is down below in the description box. Okay, what else? What else? Oh yeah, my playlist. If you're looking to follow a certain theme of my videos, like let's say you're following the using up the book pages or journal construction, those links are down below and at the end of most videos, so check those out. You can also find me on Instagram, Etsy, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook. I have an amazing Facebook group where fun and happy people come together and share their amazing tips and tricks on making junk journals. It's very welcoming, very warm for newbies, old salty dogs. I mean that most loving way. The old salty dogs who have, been through the trenches and tried a million things and just want to share their ideas. So I love to see what you guys make. We love to share with each other, and we do fun and exciting weekly and monthly challenges, which you're welcome to participate in, but there's no pressure to. You can just watch and see what others make, or if you feel like jumping in, go ahead and post what you made and show us what you got, because we're all thrilled to see other people's ideas and learn from each other, because that's what it's all about here. So come on over. And okay, so let's get to the okay, let me just zoom in here. Okay, here is the YouTube random comment generator, and what I do is I put in the link for the actual video, and that's the 25,000 subscriber video that I did, and then I filter out the duplicates. See that? So there's no cheating. Okay, and what else? What's I filter comments based on specific? No, we don't need to do that. I check later if the person didn't put an actual correct comment by answering the required question, they will be removed, and I will do this video over again. So you will see the finished video with the correct person on it. Okay, what else? Okay, so now look over here. We're going to get, I think I did this already. Amount of YouTube unique commenters were 1,264 people. Okay. And now we're going to start the raffle. Okay, ready? Ready? When I hit this button, all the magic's going to happen. It's going to filter through all those comments, and it's going to magically pick one of you. So let's go in here and watch that. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, those are the names. Those are the names of the commenters. How exciting. That's you guys flying by. Who's it going to pick? Amanda Bowlby, look at you. And there's her comment. Oh, we can see what it says. It says, hi, well, with my own thoughts, when I found you, it was the first time seeing this kind of craft and I fell in love instantly. Maybe it's catching on because, for one, it's a wonderful place to store memories and create one-of-a-kind pieces. A way to go through time by a flip of a page and share stories through gizmos and thoughts. A way to sit down and create without worrying about perfection, but just with carefree, may I say, abandonment. And personally, I love the mess of doodads and whatnots on my desk. So there's my opinion. Thanks so much for sharing. So congratulations to Amanda Bowlby. You'll be receiving your junk journal with all the ephemera that I had showed. So there you go, folks. So remember, if you like my videos, please like, subscribe, and share. If you want to be notified of new videos as they come out, please hit the notification bell below. The little bell beside the subscribe sign. And remember that fun can be simple and create with reckless abandon. And I'm going to show you my current reckless abandon. Here it is. Here's my reckless abandon. There it is. I'm in the throes of making a journal. That's what life is like here right now. So have some fun, folks, crafting, and stay safe, stay healthy. I'm thinking about all of you, and I'm so, so grateful and so thankful for all of your support and encouragement, and we are just having a good time together, and that's the most important thing. So everybody have fun, take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.